welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be drawing DoodleBob. Now if you watched my other videos and saw what happened to the episodes, I think it was like 14 to 22, I actually did all the kids from the cul-de-sac from Ed, Ed, and Eddie. But I didn't want to sit here and have, at that point, what was it, 10 characters on this page for one series. I just felt like that wouldn't have been justified. So instead we're just going to bypass those. And we're going to end up doing those maybe on the YouTube Shorts. I'm going to try it out, because why not? But anyways, we're going to do DoodleBob today in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we have it. We have DoodleBob. Now, I realized it is a little bit smaller than what I've been doing, but I also have to remember I'm supposed to draw 365 minus, I think I'm on day 13. I have to draw 350 something more of these. I'm going to have to really downsize a lot of these things. So, well, here's DoodleBob and peace, love, and hot sauce, and until next time, thanks for watching. What's the matter? Why you look like that, Chemical?